Bonjour! France. We came from Bohemian Filipino. We would like to welcome you with our opening celebration of our 28th year anniversary of Victory Christian Fellowship. We are so proud in the name of the Lord that internationally, God is using this platform to reach other countries. Now we choose Bohemian so that would like to connect to those people in France. Also, we have, of course, we have lots of English people and Filipinos in France. Bonjour. I would like to greet you, mabuhay from the Philippines, annyeonghaseyo from Korea, sawadee-kap in Thailand, arigato in Japan, whatever. Kudiabon.
Kudiabon in Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Marhaba in United Arab.
United Arabs. Marhaba. All right. Filipino. Magandang hapon. Magandang gabi, hapon, alanganin. But anyway, happy anniversary, Pastor Ariel Pineda and Jonah Pineda on their 28 long years. Kaedad po nila ang DCF. So, as an opening, would like to show you that we have our kids party. Look at them. Are you enjoying, kids? Yeah. Wala pa yung iba, but we're waiting for all those children of VCF family to have their swimming till as long as they want till 10 o'clock maybe. So, but I desire everybody to be happy because this is a day of celebration. Why celebrate? Why celebrate? Because it is the expression of the glory of God. Jesus is a celebration. Because Jesus is life, and life must be celebrated. So, on our 28 long years, we have been through all tests, trials, and all those things. Pains, sufferings. Hindi po tayo dumating sa ganito na wala tayong pinagdaanan. So, can you congratulate your neighbor? Kung kayo man ay naka 28 long years, congratulations. Sa dami ng mga taong lumayas, kayo ay talagang nanatili. At ang sabi ng Bible, those who remain in me and my word remain in him, then you are qualified to ask whatever. That's why we are enjoying the whatever of God's challenge for all of us as children of God. I would like to greet all nations that we have been through and been connected. Hindi ko na po kayo paisa-isa, but all over the world, we are trying our best na makita naman yung napakaliit na VCF dito sa Pilipinas. At maraming salamat sa mga partners, of course, for without you, we are not here for this 28 long years. Hindi po padami-dami ng years, but palakas ng palakas, patatag ng patatag as the years go by. Also, I would like to greet happy birthday to our brother Joseph. Meron po siyang litson na ibinigay, so kailangan po natin i-enjoy yan. And also, Dinan Hernandez, our new elected congressman. We are congratulating you and also Erlinda Bing Pabi of Coronadal City, our vice mayor, acting as mayor now. So we are rejoicing to all partners all over the world, for without you again, we can never reach this far. Especially Pastor Andrew Samunim Sonja Hirata of Seoul, Korea, and all the missionaries who have come here. You know who you are, from Hawaii, our dear brother Lubanov, and the wife, and also all from North Korea, who is in heaven right now is Mama Jane, very dear to us. Also, Miriam Corcoran and John Corcoran of Subic. And all those people na alam nyo kung sino kayo. And God knows who you are. This is the day of Thanksgiving. We celebrate, we give our thanks because that is the will of God. And God said, people who does the will of the Father shall live forever. So this is His will, to give thanks, to celebrate. Come on. So I just would like also to express my thanksgiving to everybody who have been a part of this ministry. You know who you are. Our churches, our sister church, BCF Maibu and BCF Greenfield, as also our churches, small home churches. We have 10 all in all, and we have 2 sister churches and main Coronadal City. And we call ourselves BCF South Cotabato. So our desire to greet you, to let you know who we are, because this is our opportunity to invade the darkness with marvelous light. To tell the world that what Jesus had done in our lives. So tonight we're going to have our service, our Thanksgiving service from maybe 8 to 10, but we're going to start at 7. So we will be celebrating with each other. Every home churches, every leaders, every pastors who will be joining us tonight. So my honor with Pastor Alfredo, where are you there? To greet all of you, all our partners, a happy anniversary. So, nandito po tayong lahat sa Lagoon, Verdant Lagoon, and we are honored to have this privilege. And I believe that this place has been blessed because we've been praying for this, and this is the reward of God at the same time. Celebration is an expression of our gratitude. But we need to subject ourselves. What are we thanking for? Is the lives that had changed, people who had been discovering the principle of God that can lead them out from darkness and brought them into marvelous light. You have lots of people, kind of people. We have PNPs, people in the business, and especially our students, our young people, our young professionals, our children, our young teens. We are expanding so very fast because of the presence of God. So what more can I say is that in behalf of Pastor Andrew and all BCF family all over the world, we are greeting you mabuhay from the Philippines. And also Indonesia, Singapore, and all those people are connected to us. And we are looking forward for missions because we are the product of mission. Missionaries have come in this BCF Coronadal South Cotabato. So we were influenced, and through by the power of the word, and we are growing. We come out to be missionaries as well. That's why we go around Visayas, Mindanao, as well as in Luzon. So comprise the Philippines. So we have the privilege to get out from our own country by this mission, Matthew 28:18 to 20. We're commissioned by our authorities to go and make disciples to all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. That's why we are all the product of whatever Jesus has. We continue the works of Jesus all throughout until the end. And we are envisioning that this church is going to be a glorious church. What do you mean by glorious church? A church that cannot be touched by darkness. Hades cannot prevail. So in other words, we become more stronger than ever. this 2025, we proclaim that VCF South Cotabato is a glorious church prepared for the last days event. May God bless you. I want everybody to show their face. These are the laborers of the Lord, my co-laborers. Some other pastors are not yet around. They are on time. Congratulations. All right. Some others are all around. Say hi to Korea and to all other parts of the country, USA. All right. So this is just the first part, and I would like to ask all of you, all eagles all over the world, wherever you are, Mark O'Haro, Jollibee in UAE, Abu Dhabi Group. Thank you so much for your support. And all those people outside, like Netherlands, Qatar, Canada, of course, Mami Louie and Ate Lydia, also whoever are the people in outside the country, Miriam Corcoran in USA, Bunjang in Israel. You know, God knows who you are, who've been a part of this. Dr. Benit Wang of Taiwan. Also, Dr. Agad of General Santos City. Dr. Pacalda of Coronadal City. And also Dr. Ken Gumapon of Cebu City. And of course, our eagles there, Ken, and our Joy Bacon of Manila, Laika Bautista, there in Manila, and all other VCF family. May God bless you and may you enjoy our celebration. We are with you and you are with us in the spirit. Bye-bye. We have number for our kids before we were off. All right? Oh, no, they're not ready. I told them to be. Anyway, it's better next time, okay? God bless you. Say bye-bye for now. Next live will be on 7 o'clock.